Hi guys, today I'll share with you Kennedy metric socket set 30 pieces. Half square drive, the most popular drive size used in the service and maintenance industries. This popularity is due to the strength and robust nature of half-inch drive. All Kennedy professional sockets have a curl feature to give a high grip, which is essential for a quick tool change when your hands are greasy or oily. The 12-point bi-hexagon side drive design will give a higher torque than normal sockets, grip worn nuts, and will not round off existing nuts. Lastly, the chamfered leading edge ensures easy fastener location.